Okay, I just want to make sure if I was recording or not. Excuse me if you saw peanuts on my teeth. But yeah, I'm over here drinking a fountain drink. Okay, Coca-Cola, and I got me some peanuts. Usually I get that 20-ounce Coca-Cola, put some peanuts in, and just start eating it as I drink. You guys. I don't know. I don't know if it's because of it's sweet, the pop is sweet, and then the peanuts are salty, sweet and salty. Oh my god, mixed together so good. I have to be sharing these with you guys because you guys are missing out. Especially if you work and you have those type of jobs that they just give you that quick, go and eat something quick and come back. Let's say 15 minutes. By the time you get into your vehicle on the parking lot, by the time you go to a store or a restaurant and order something, those 15 minutes are gone. So might as well just go get a pop, Coca-Cola. Sometimes in your job sites, they have those machines that they give you peanuts. And obviously you have a Coke machine. Get you a Coke and a bag of peanuts and put it in the Coke. And there you go. It's good. And it gets you full. It does. Try it and come back to this video and let me know what you guys think. It does get you full. You're drinking, you're eating at the same time. Hello. Oh, and a twist on this. There was this time I didn't have Coke at home. I had Dr. Pepper. You guys, you should try with Dr. Pepper. Bomb. 10 out of 10. Give it a try. Oh yeah.